Join us for one-day children and teenagers anointing deliverance service with the theme Mighty Children. Mighty Children. Date Saturday the 23rd of August 2025. Time 9 a.m. Venue at the Church Auditorium number 55 Isashi Road beside Mobile Filling Station off Gospel Bus Stop Isashi, Lagos State, Nigeria. Ministering Pastor Tochukwu Richard.
Anybody from your father's side, mother's side who is fighting your parents just to deal with you, Kataroso Barakata Lekra. As one thing you must cry to God is that you shouldn't fail, because there are people waiting to mock you if you fail. There are people waiting to mock your family member. There are even people waiting to mock your children and says, look at your father. Your father is a useless man. He can't even pay your school fees. Your father. There are people who are waiting to mock your husband as a woman, and they see liability you married. He is a failure. There are people who are to mock your wife and say you didn't marry well. You married the devil in your house. I came here to let you know that you will not fail. Every failure that you experienced before, every failure you experienced last year shall not repeat this year.
Parents, bring your children and teens for this one-day children and teenagers anointing and deliverance service. Pastor Tochukwu Richard will deliver and anoint every one of them one by one. For more information and inquiry, please call 080-396-20383 or 091-231-55966. Come and your life will never remain the same again. Jesus is Lord.